Breakups are tough, and many people find themselves wondering if there's a chance of getting their ex back. If you've ever found yourself missing someone and feeling like things could work out again, you're not alone. There's a concept called manifestation, which can help you bring back the person you desire. It might sound like magic at first, but in reality, manifestation is about shifting your mindset, healing your inner self, and aligning with the love and relationship you want. It involves focusing on improving yourself, mentally and emotionally, and trusting the process. If you're wondering how to get your ex back, just like I did, this step-by-step guide is here to help you. Manifestation isn't a one-time thing. It's about aligning yourself with your deepest desires, while also working on self-love and growth. Below, I'll walk you through each essential step for manifesting your ex back into your life. 1. Manifestation basics. Manifestation is often misunderstood. It's not just about thinking positively or hoping something will happen. The key to manifestation lies in the law of assumption. This law is based on the idea that you must believe in something so deeply that it becomes a reality. In simple terms, it's about convincing your subconscious mind that you already have what you desire. This is the first step in getting your ex back. The law of assumption doesn't mean simply wishing for something to happen. It requires you to mentally and emotionally align with what you want as if it's already in your life. So, if you're hoping to get your ex back, you need to believe with all your heart and soul that they are already back in your life. This process isn't linear. Things may not happen immediately or exactly as you expect them to. However, trust that the universe works in mysterious ways, and the process will unfold naturally when you align yourself with your desires. It requires consistent focus, patience, and emotional alignment to truly see the manifestation work. Manifesting your ex is not just about focusing on them, though. It's about focusing on you, your thoughts, your emotions, and your energy. As you begin to manifest, you'll notice that things may start shifting in your life. You'll find that certain patterns, thoughts, and feelings no longer serve you, and you'll be led to make changes that align with your true desires. The process of manifestation might not always be obvious, and there might be setbacks, but keep going. Believe that what you desire is already on its way to you. 2. Key to success. Self-concept. One of the most crucial parts of getting your ex back is to improve your self-concept. Your self-concept is how you see and perceive yourself. It's the lens through which you view the world and how the world perceives you. If you see yourself as unworthy of love or success, it will be difficult to manifest your ex back because that negative self-image will repel what you truly want. Your self-concept shapes not only how you view yourself, but also how others view and respond to you. This means that the way you feel about yourself has a direct impact on the kind of relationship you can attract. To attract your ex, you need to become the best version of yourself, the version of you that your ex will naturally be drawn to. This doesn't mean changing who you are fundamentally, but rather growing and evolving into someone you admire and love. The more you work on yourself, the more magnetic you will become to others, including your ex. Start by practicing self-love. Affirmations can be a great tool here. Say things like, I am deserving of love, I am worthy of happiness, and I attract healthy, loving relationships. The more you believe in your worth, the more others will reflect that back to you. Working on your self-concept means investing in yourself. This could mean adopting healthier habits, learning new skills, pursuing hobbies you love, and becoming the best version of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. As you improve your self-concept, you'll notice that your ex and others will start to view you differently as well. Remember, attraction is not just about looks, it's about the energy you radiate. When you are confident and aligned with your best self, you become naturally attractive to others. And in the case of getting your ex back, this is a critical part of the process. 3. What not to do. When trying to get your ex back, It's just as important to understand what not to do. Sometimes, the desperate actions we take in an attempt to reconcile can push the person we want further away. Here's what you must avoid. Don't beg or plead. If you're constantly asking for another chance or pleading for them to come back, you're essentially lowering your own value. You're sending the message that you don't believe you are worthy of their love unless they decide to give it to you. This can lead to feelings of resentment or discomfort, and it's unlikely to bring them back. Don't chase them. The more you chase, the more your ex will pull away. Avoid constantly contacting them, following them on social media, or asking mutual friends for updates on their life. Chasing shows desperation, and desperation is never attractive. The no contact rule. One of the most effective ways to get your ex back is to apply the no contact rule. This involves taking a break from all communication with your ex for a period of time. This gives both you and your ex space to heal and reflect. It also helps you work on your self-concept and focus on your own personal growth. Don't wait around for them. While you're working on manifesting your ex back, don't sit around waiting for them to come to you. Live your life, fully engage in activities that make you happy and help you grow. Pursue your passions, travel, meet new people, and enjoy experiences. When you stop waiting and start living, you'll align yourself with your desires and become a more attractive person, both to your ex and the world. Remember, the key is to work on yourself first and let your ex come to you naturally. Trust the process, don't force anything. 4. Steps to manifest your ex back. Manifestation is a powerful tool, but it requires consistent effort and emotional alignment. If you truly want to manifest your ex back into your life, there are several steps you need to follow. Here's how to go about it. Gratitude. The first step in manifesting anything is to practice gratitude. Start each day by giving thanks for everything you already have in your life. Gratitude helps you shift your focus away from what you lack and instead centers your attention on the abundance already present. This shift in energy makes you more aligned with the energy of attraction. When it comes to your ex, gratitude can be incredibly powerful. Think about the good moments you had together and express thanks for the love you once shared, regardless of how things ended. This mindset helps you approach the situation from a place of positivity and appreciation. The more you focus on the positive aspects of your past relationship, the more you'll open yourself up to attracting that same energy again. Define your goal. Before you can manifest your ex back, you need to be crystal clear on what you want. Define your goal. What exactly do you want from your relationship? Is it reconciliation, a stronger commitment, or perhaps marriage? Be specific about what you desire and visualize that goal every day. Clarifying your goal is essential for 2 reasons. It helps you stay focused, and it sends a clear message to the universe about what you want. The clearer and more specific your intention, the more the universe will align with your desires. When you visualize the outcome, imagine that it's already happening. See yourself happy and together with your ex, enjoying the love and companionship you've always desired. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is a crucial step in manifesting anything, especially when it comes to your ex. If you hold on to past anger, resentment, or hurt, it can create a block that prevents your desires from manifesting. Start by forgiving yourself and your ex for any mistakes, misunderstandings, or hurt that happened in the past. Forgiving isn't about letting someone off the hook. It's about freeing yourself from the negative emotions that hold you back. When you forgive, you release the emotional baggage that could be clouding your judgment and preventing you from fully aligning with your goal. Forgiveness also extends to yourself if you made mistakes or feel responsible for the breakup. It's essential to forgive yourself. Remember that no one is perfect, and self-compassion is key to healing and moving forward. Visualization. Visualization is one of the most powerful manifestation tools. It involves imagining a scene that implies your desire is already a reality. For example, Visualize yourself and your ex in a joyful, loving relationship, enjoying simple moments together, whether it's going on dates, living together, or sharing intimate conversations. Create a vivid mental image of your future together and see every detail clearly: how you feel, what you're doing, where you are, and even the sounds or smells around you. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the stronger the energy you send out to the universe. Visualization isn't just about seeing the outcome, it's about feeling the emotions that come with it. When you feel the love, joy, and peace that comes with being reunited, you align yourself emotionally with your desire, which makes it more likely to manifest. Control reactions. Throughout this process, you'll encounter circumstances that may trigger negative emotions. Maybe your ex moves on with someone else, or you see them doing something that makes you feel hurt or frustrated. These reactions are natural, but they can interfere with your manifestation efforts. It's crucial to stay aligned with your desired outcome, no matter what happens. If negative emotions arise, acknowledge them, but don't let them dictate your actions. Instead, shift your focus back to the positive outcome you desire and keep your thoughts in alignment with your goal. When you're emotionally aligned with what you want, your outer reality will begin to shift accordingly. Control your reactions by staying calm, positive, and focused on your manifestation. Self-concept work. As mentioned earlier, your self-concept plays a massive role in manifesting your ex back. To make this process easier, incorporate daily practices that enhance your self-concept and raise your vibrational energy. This can include affirmations, scripting, or visualization exercises where you imagine yourself as the best version of yourself, someone who is loved, admired, and confident. Affirmations like, "I am worthy of love," "I deserve a healthy relationship," and "I am confident and attractive" can help you feel more aligned with your desires. Affirmations reprogram your subconscious mind and help you believe that what you want is already yours. Scripting is another great method. This involves writing down your ideal future as if it has already happened. You might write something like, "I'm so happy and grateful that I am reunited with my ex, and we're stronger than ever. We're enjoying a wonderful, loving relationship." Write in detail about your future and read it daily to reinforce your belief. By consistently working on your self-concept and using these techniques, you will raise your vibrational frequency and attract positive experiences, including the return of your ex. 5. Living fully. When you're in the process of manifesting your ex back, one of the most important things to remember is to live fully. The energy you put out into the world is incredibly important. If you are constantly focused on your ex, obsessing over the past, or waiting for them to contact you, you're sending out needy and desperate energy. This is the opposite of what you want to manifest. Instead, shift your focus to yourself and your life. Pursue hobbies and interests that make you happy and fulfilled. Travel, spend time with friends, explore new activities, and invest in your personal growth. Doing this will not only improve your mood and self-esteem, but it will also make you more attractive to your ex. The more you live your life with passion and joy, the more likely your ex will be drawn back to you. Confidence is magnetic. People are naturally attracted to those who are living their lives fully and not waiting around for someone else to make them happy. Living your best life means that you are no longer relying on your ex for happiness or validation. Instead, you're creating a life that you love, which naturally attracts positive energy and, in turn, your ex. Manifestation is about becoming the person who naturally attracts what they desire. It's not about forcing things to happen or trying to control the outcome. It's about doing the inner work, trusting the process, and allowing things to unfold as they're meant to. Getting your ex back involves shifting your mindset, improving your self-concept, and taking the time to grow as a person. Be patient with the process, and don't rush things. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf, and believe that everything you desire will come to you in the right time. Remember, The law of assumption works by convincing your subconscious mind that what you desire is already yours. As you manifest your ex, focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and trust that the bridge of incidents will lead you to your goal. Keep your thoughts and emotions aligned with what you want, and let things unfold naturally. And above all, believe in yourself. The love you seek starts with the love you give yourself. Once you truly believe that you deserve happiness, love, and a fulfilling relationship, the universe will align to make it happen.